all starts with a little piece of ginger saved from last year's crop. Once planted, the baby ginger is nurtured with irrigation, fertilization and sun protection until early harvest. Ginger plants grow at a spectacular rate, so in just a matter of months, the fields are covered in dense green foliage about a metre high, with rhizomes forming underground. Even at this early stage, the seed pieces have multiplied many times. During December and January, the crop is monitored constantly to determine the optimum time of harvest and usually reaches the ideal stage for factory processing by February. By this stage, most of the crop is harvested when the rhizomes are young with minimal fibre content, ideal for eating ginger. As these rhizomes have not yet developed a protective skin, great care is required during the harvest to prevent bruising. Final preparation is carried out on the farm, where the ginger is washed and stems are removed. From the farm, the harvest is trucked to the factory. Once unloaded, the ginger is washed and taken to the storage vats, where it's kept at peak condition until required for processing. When we're ready to process a batch, the ginger rhizomes begin a journey along a large conveyor belt to the pre-sorting area. Skilled operators select only the choicest young stem pieces for processing into our most exclusive cuts, and the rest of the ginger goes on to be machine cut and peeled. Small pieces, best for jams and cookies, are removed by mechanical sieving. All remaining ginger then goes on for grading according to fibre content. Non-fibrous ginger is directed to the robo-sorter, which sorts the ginger by size and shape. When a total batch is cut and sorted, it's taken to the syruping area. After cooking, it's a bright yellow colour, and gradually, by the 12th day, it takes on a golden hue to become known as Australia's golden ginger. Using the latest technology, we package and prepare our products for distribution throughout Australia and worldwide. As one of the world's largest suppliers of confectionery ginger, we're currently exporting to over 17 countries, like the UK, Germany and the USA.